We've sent rovers to Mars, probes to Pluto, and established a network of telescopes around the globe. But what if our next giant leap is letting AI take the controls? What if we send an autonomous spaceship into the vast unknown of deep space to explore worlds beyond our wildest dreams? This is AI in space. From the moment it left Earth, the rover began transmitting data about its journey through the vast emptiness of interplanetary space. Every 34 seconds, the probe would send back a telemetry packet detailing its position, velocity, and orientation. Scientists on Earth could use this data to make sure the spacecraft was healthy and on course for its destination. But they had to wait until the next telemetry window to check in. That's why engineers are turning to AI to help them monitor spacecraft like the Mars rover. In a new system, an onboard computer uses machine learning to analyze telemetry data in real time, flagging any anomalies so engineers can address them right away. The AI can also take control of the rover autonomously, making decisions like when to drive and when to take science measurements without input from Earth. But why stop there? If we can trust AI to keep a rover on track on Mars, we can let it take the wheel for much longer journeys. Let's send it to Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to our Sun, a mere 4.37 light-years away. At that distance, radio signals from Earth take more than 4 years to arrive. So if we wanted to guide a spacecraft there, we'd have to do it autonomously with no way to communicate with Earth except for the occasional status update from the AI. But how could we ensure the safety of such a mission? Well, one way is to give the AI the ability to learn from its own experience. NASA's Deep Space Network, which communicates with spacecraft throughout the solar system, could provide the AI with enough data to learn how to navigate in deep space, find resources, and avoid obstacles. Once it arrives at Alpha Centauri, the AI can use what it has learned to land safely and begin exploring the planet's surface. It might sound like science fiction, but it's already happening. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory is developing AI systems for the Mars Sample Return mission, which will bring the first Martian samples back to Earth. And JPL has also proposed a mission concept called the Autonomous Spacecraft for exploration of the Trans-Neptunian region, or ASTER, which would use AI to explore the outer reaches of our solar system. Of course, this raises ethical questions about letting machines loose in the universe. How do we ensure that AI behaves safely and responsibly when exploring worlds beyond our own? But these are the challenges that will need to be addressed if we want to continue exploring the cosmos. And we already know that AI can help us discover some amazing things. The James Webb Space Telescope is currently sending back incredible images of the universe. But processing all that data is a huge task. That's where AI comes in. Machine learning algorithms are being used to sift through the massive amounts of data from the Webb telescope, identifying interesting objects and helping astronomers focus their studies. In the future, AI could help us even more. Imagine a world where autonomous spaceships are commonplace, where rovers explore the surface of distant planets while humans stay safe on Earth. It might seem like a far-off fantasy, but it's actually closer than you think. At the new space bases on the Moon and Mars, AI will play a vital role in helping humans survive and thrive in some of the most extreme environments imaginable. From monitoring life support systems to managing energy resources, AI will be able to handle the routine tasks that would otherwise be time-consuming and dangerous for astronauts. This will allow humans to focus on the more creative aspects of living off-world, such as conducting experiments, exploring the surface, and searching for signs of life. In the long term, AI could even help us expand our reach to other parts of the solar system and beyond. With the ability to explore and gather resources autonomously, we could establish a true human presence in space. Of course, this raises many ethical questions that we'll need to address as we move forward. But the potential benefits are simply too great to ignore. The idea of letting AI explore space on its own is both exciting and terrifying. But the potential benefits are worth the risk. Who knows what amazing discoveries await us in the vastness of space? All we need to do is send the machines to find out. So what do you think? Would you trust an AI to explore space on its own? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos of AI in space.